guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on these flashlights. They are very strong flashlights, guys, so if you're looking for that, these are it. Now I am going to show you the different modes that it has. It has 3 different modes on the main end, and then it has like 4 different modes on the side. I am going to show you all of them, but first I'm gonna just show you all the features that it has. We do have the power button right here, so you can just press it to turn it on. As you can see, we do have the battery life right there. So we have it full power right now. It is also rechargeable, so you can just recharge it there with the USB-C. So it does also come with the charging cable, which is the USB to USB-C. It comes with 2 of them because it comes with 2 flashlights. I also do like that it comes with their own little bag. So it's so cute. You could just put it inside, and it's very thick. It's a very thick material, so it will keep them safe. But these are super strong, guys. I don't even think they will ever break, even if you like drop them or anything, because they are pretty strong. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how bright they get, and I'm gonna show you the different modes so you can kind of see them. Alright guys, so I came to a really dark room in my house. I'm gonna show you the 3 different main modes that it has. We're gonna start off with the first one. Now guys, as you can see, it is super big. I love the range of it. It's just gonna get a bunch of space. It is also very bright. We're gonna turn it on to the second mode. So this is the second mode, and then we're gonna turn on to the third mode, which is like more like a flashing one. But as you can see, it is super strong and it has a big range. Alright guys, so now that I showed you the 3 different main modes, I am going to show you the lights on the side. So in order to turn on the main modes, you just press it once, 2 times, 3 times. But in order to turn on the side ones, you're going to press it down, and then it's going to turn on these sides. As you can see, it is super bright. It literally lit up like the entire camera, but it is very bright, guys. It also has 3 different modes, so I'm just going to press it again. So it didn't turn them on. Here we go. Okay, so that's the first mode, that's the second mode, third mode, and then the fourth mode. So this is more like an emergency flashlight, which is awesome, guys, because if you ever get lost, you have like emergency lights, which I love. But honestly, guys, it's a very good flashlight. I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're like more into investigating and things like that, going onto the woods or camping or anything like that. I would definitely recommend it. Really good flashlight.